Oh my God, if I die, I'm a legend. When they lay me down to rest, I know I was always repping. Oh my God, my whole life.
That is so cool. He still got it. We can actually put this on YouTube. Listen, guys, if there's something wrong with the recording.
I think I broke my ankle. What is that?
It's an ankle brace. It sounds really painful, so I'm going to put audio warning on it.
Oh, here's a brace.
It sounds like I'm in a different dimension.
This hurts. This isn't helping. It's hurting.
Okay, I might uncover it real fast, but
Why did you do it?
turn it on the bed.
I wasn't playing. I saw it.
I gotta turn it down more.
Right here. I'll be right there.
Okay, I think it's working now. It still sounds horrible.
My
Whoop.
voice sounds horrible anyway.
Okay, just try saying something. No.
Why
Now
would
try.
I do that?
I'm pretty sure all they heard is because you were so far away. Okay, that's nice. So,